What do you get when you squeeze a lemon? You get a lemon juice. That's not a tricky question. What do you get when you squeeze an orange? You get a orange juice. What do you get when you squeeze a pineapple? You get a pineapple juice. Simple law says that when you squeeze something, you get what is inside. That means that's exactly the same with people. When you squeeze a person, when you make that person to suffer or their life is crushing them, the life reveals and that person reveals what is inside of them. If they are bitter, if they envy inside, those bad days will show that, and basically that will break or make that person. Now we need to know two main key things about difficult days, about life crushing events. Life crushing events could make us better, stronger, because those difficult days could uh, make our mental capacity better, because that's a mental capacity is a muscle that you're able to build. And a second very important thing is that struggles and life crushing events are revealing who we are at the moment, at this moment. And a lot of times this moment that we could be bitter, envy, and jealous, and a lot of things that could be in our mind, but that could be changed. So just we need to be intentional about living the life and change the way how we think. So now when we think about how to do that, so when we want to have orange juice, we plant an orange tree, orange plant, and the oranges grows. You squeeze the oranges, you get orange juice. Now when you want lemon juice, you plant a lemon tree, lemons grow, you squeeze the lemons, you get the lemon juice. Exactly the same is with all the character traits, values, skills in in us, in humans, in people. So if you want to show up a great attitude, that means we need to build that attitude. We need to plant the seeds that will grow and become a huge, great attitude tree. So that means we need to read books about leadership and attitude. We need to attend seminars about attitude and communication and all the things. We need to be surrounded by people who has amazing attitude. And now when the life is crushing you and all the events that coming into your way is very difficult, you will be able to persevere, and of course those events will bring the great attitude that you already built. So please start building your great attitude now, that during difficult days it will show up.